Hi, hello, my dear children. I hope all of you are staying safe. Let us move to the next question in exercise 4.1 in the sixth sum. Okay, we are continuing the chapter simple equations. And what is the third question? Third subdivision in the sixth question. The sixth question is what? Set up an equation in the following cases. And now the question is, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. So here what are you supposed to do? The question is set up an equation in the following cases. So here one situation is given. For that situation you have to write an equation. Okay, and let us recall what is an equation. In that what? An algebraic expression should be equated to a numerical expression. And both algebraic expression and the numerical expression should represent the same thing. Then only you can write both are equal. Isn't it? So we have to select the algebraic expression and the numerical expression that represent the same thing. And in this situation, classroom, that is the teacher says something, discuss about the marks got by her children in the class. That is, she is discussing about the highest score and the lowest score. Okay, and what does she say? She tells what? The highest mark. The highest marks obtained by a student in her class is how much? It means equals how much? Twice the lowest marks plus 7. Okay, now you know this gives some information about the algebraic expression. How do you know? Because it is given that what? The highest mark obtained by a student in the class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So it is representing an algebraic expression. And again the second sentence says the highest score is 87. Okay. So the information is given for what? The highest score. One is in terms of algebraic expression. Here also what? The highest marks. This is the first one. Again the highest score. Score and marks are the same. This second time. This is the first time. Isn't it? So first time also highest marks, second time also. But here it represents an equation. Here it represents a numerical expression, that is the number 87 constant term. Isn't it? So you have selected the right hand side. Now what is in the left hand side? It should be an algebraic expression. For writing the algebraic expression we need an unknown quantity. So what is that unknown quantity? That is the highest mark obtained by a student. The class is what? Twice. Twice means 2 times. 2 into. Twice what? The lowest mark. So this one is the unknown quantity. Isn't it? So the highest marks what is given in terms of lowest marks. That is the relation between the highest mark and the lowest marks is given in the form of algebraic expression. Isn't it? But no information is given about the lowest mark. It is an unknown quantity. So we have to take this as x. Okay. If you take this as x, what? The highest marks is twice the lowest. That is 2x plus 7. So we got the algebraic expression. Isn't it, children? So first you have to read the question, understand the meaning, what is given, and which term is given 2 times you have to select, and then the algebraic representation of the first time and the numerical expression of the second time. Okay, here the highest marks given is given 2 times. And first it is given the algebraic expression, second it is given in the form of numerical expression. Sometimes the numerical expression may be given first and the algebraic expression may be given in the second. Just like in the second question, Lakshmi's father's age was given in the first sentence and the algebraic expression, that is the relation between father's age and Lakshmi's age, was given in the second sentence, isn't it? But here it is given what? Algebraic expression is given first and the constant term or the numerical expression is given in the second. Have you understood? So, after selecting this, it is very easy. Okay. So, you have to just write the equation. You know algebraic expression in the left hand side is the algebraic expression 2x plus 7 and the right hand side is 87. So, we got the equation. Okay. So, what first you got to write? First you got to write what is the unknown quantity. So, which is the unknown quantity? The lowest mark. So, let the lowest mark or score be x. You can take m also. Whatever letter you want, you can take. And then, next the highest mark. Is equal to, what is given? Twice the lowest term. Twice the lowest term means what? 2 into x. That is equal to 2x. Okay? 2x. Next is given plus. It is given very, in the straight form it is given. No term is, that is, it's not given some or more than, less than, it's not given. Plus 7. But what is the highest actual mark? 87. So this is equal to 87. So the answer is what? 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. Is it clear? Now we'll move to the next question. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. So only this information is given. Using this, how to write the equation? Okay. So here nothing is given 2 times. And only one relation is given. What is that? The vertex angle is twice either base angle. What is that is given? And no numerical expression is given. From here you can take what? Twice its base angle. That's all. So, how to frame the equation? For that which is common? What? And sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. You have to use that concept. Okay. So, for that sum of the angles of the triangle, you have to find the algebraic expression as well as you have to find the numerical expression. Numerical is what? 180 degrees. Okay. And algebraic expression you have to write using this clue. Twice either base angle. For this you have to use the property of the isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? 2 sides are equal. It has 2 equal sides. And the base angles are also equal. Okay. So you should know these 2 properties. Okay. So this one isosceles triangle. Okay. So if you name this as A, B, C, these 2 sides are equal and the base angles are equal. Okay. So, and what is the information given? Which angle? The vertex angle. Okay. The vertex angle is twice either base angle. Twice either base angle. That means this angle is 2 times this angle. Because these 2 angles will be equal. If this is 60, this is also 60. If this is 50, this is also 50. But unknown. We don't know the base angles. If you know the base angles, you can find the vertex angle. Have you understood, children? The relation between the vertex angle and the base angle is given. And you know the relation between the base angles. Both angles are equal. Okay. So you have to take which one as x, which one you should is unknown here. No information is given about which angle, base angle or vertex angle. Base angle. Nothing is given. Okay. So, but what is the relation between the vertex angle and the base angle? It is twice. So, if you know this only, you can find this. Okay. So, you have to take this as x. Okay. So, if this is x degrees, this will also x. And if this will be what? 2x. This angle will be 2x. Is it clear, children? Because vertex angle is twice the base angle. Either base angle means both base angles are equal. So it is twice this base angle as well as it is twice this angle. That's why either base angle is given. Okay. Now you know sum of the three angles of a triangle is what? 180 degrees. So first you write that. First you write let the base angles be x degrees. Okay, so both are equal. So what are the measures of the three angles? X, x, x. And therefore what is the vertex angle? Is equal to what? Twice the base angle. So 2x degrees. Okay, or if you want, you can simply write x and 2x also. Okay, and this is x, this is 2x. Okay, now what is the sum of the triangles? Sum of the angles of a triangle. Can you write in two ways? One with the algebraic expression with the unknown quantities, one with the sum. What is the sum? 180 degrees. Okay, if you name this angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Right, like that. So now you know the information. Algebraic expression for the sum of the angle and the numerical expression for the sum of the angles. Now you can equate both. So what is the sum of the angles of triangle? 2x plus x plus x. That is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So 2, x means 1x, here 1x, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4x is equal to 180 degrees. So this is the answer. Is it clear, children? So we are using the angle property of the isosceles triangle. What is the angle property? Base angles are equal in an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? In an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and the base angles are equal. So using that angle property, we are finding the vertex angle. Why? Because in the question it is given vertex angle is twice either base angle. So we are taking this as the x and x. If this is x, this will be 2x because it is given twice. Twice means 2 times. So now we are taking this angle sum property of the triangle. What is the angle sum property of the triangle? Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. So sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to, in terms of x, it is what? 2x plus x plus x. But what is the angle sum property says? It is 180 degrees. So we are equating both. Algebraic expression on the left hand side, numerical expression on the right hand side. When you are adding, you are getting 4x is equal to 180 degrees. So the answer we got. So I think you may have understood how to form an algebraic equation or the simple equation for the given situations and given cases. Is it clear, children? Take care of your health. Health is very important. God bless you all. Thank you, children.